Hey, all my bro, pop out, pop out, pop out, man. You already know what's up with it, family. You did, yeah, y'all. Thomas gang is in the house, y'all. Y'all already know we represent. You did, no count, man. Man, y'all better represent, man. Thomas gang is in the house. You already know, man. We ain't playing no games. You hear me? Everybody pop. You already know, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, AR came to the live, y'all know cap. You did say y'all pop out, rock out, man. Stay keep subscribing to my bro channel. Say y'all subscribe to his other channel, y'all. Is AR number one fan two. Okay? Go pop out. He got another channel, y'all. Say they didn't hit him with a strike, y'all. So hey, go run his other channel up, y'all. You already know. We trying to get him up there, y'all. You did. So yeah, y'all. Go check out my bro channel, y'all. AR number one fan two. That's his other channel, y'all. So yeah, go social support, represent my bro. You already know, man. Bro, I got y'all back, man. Y'all better stop playing, man. Y'all know that what I do. Y'all already know that what I do, man. I show love, man. That's what it is, man. I've told y'all, man, I don't just do this shit, man. It's just in me. You did? I don't just do this shit. This shit just in me, man. You hear me? Say, y'all. Florida gang, man. That's my bro, y'all. That boy got that badass, man. Say, bro, I'm gonna give me some a badass tackle the 22 too, bro. I'm a bad bitch coming too, bro. You did no cap, bro. No cap. I see you. Say, flex that little bad bitch. I like that bitch, bro. No cap. You know what I say? Yeah, I'm gonna give me something like a PP. What they got there, like a PP? Yeah, I'm gonna give me a little tactical little bitch too. But I don't know. I might. Well, my first one, I'm thinking I might get that bad. They got this FNN 22 30 barrel. I like that bad bitch. So I'm a 30 barrel type guy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm thinking about copping that bad boy, or I might cop this badass. It's a badass. I think it's a badass like a tactical. You know what I'm talking about? One of them old James Bond motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's a 22 badass. I want that GGS. You know, to my GSG badass bitch. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Look like you got that compression on it. Yeah, bro. So yeah, I got some shit. I don't know what it's gonna be. So yeah, get all the school shit out the way. But other than that, bro, we got some shit popping. Don't even worry. All my bros. I told y'all, man, we ain't turned down, man. We gonna keep it turned up. You dig? Yeah, man. Bro, it's going down, bro. No cap, man. Go show love to my other bro channel, you know, talking about gang security, y'all. No cap. He just caught them another one, man. I've been trying to get, I was gonna get that escort too. Say they got that bitch on sale, y'all. No cap, man. Boy, say no cap, man. No man, say the bitch is on sale, y'all. No cap, man. These 12 gauges is on sale right now, man. You can't get nothing. You can get your 12 gauge. 12 gauges is on sale like down there. You could get one for 160. You hear me? What? 160, easy. And then you can get a bullpup for like 160. You hear me? Stop playing, y'all. Man, these collections don't be that much. You hear me? You no cap, man. Man, I got a budget collection. You hear me? A budget collection. You hear me? No cap. Even if I might see Springfield, whoop the whoop, it's still budget. It was in the budget. You did, no cap. But other than that, man, it's like, man, this shit be dirt cheap. Dirt cheap. For real. You gotta do your research, just how y'all be doing y'all research on getting them Jordans. It's the same shit as getting all this other shit you want to get. You gotta do your research. It is. Yeah, man, this shit be easy, bro. No cap, man. Man, this shit be so cheap, man. You ain't got no budget collection. Get your crazy ass out of my goddamn life. You talking about you got Kimballs and uh, Z Pup and man, shut up, your crazy ass. Yeah, what's up with it? Spider Pig is in the house, man. What's up with it, boy? I wish I was out, boy. Y'all already popping up at this time. Like y'all ain't gonna be up. Boy, what's up with it? All my bros. What's up with it? All my bros. Oh, all my bros that popped out like a motherfucker, man. That's what I'm talking about, man. It is. Hey. Bang, you know what I'm talking about, man. All my bros, pop out, rock out, man. Y'all already know, man. I told y'all, man. Y'all better subscribe to all my channel, man. You never know when I'm gonna pop out. You did. No game. Free game. Bars. Y'all better go ahead. Y'all already know. If they moderators, you already know. Go subscribe to their channel. You hear me? No cap. Because if they go live, believe me, I'm supporting they live. You hear me? All my bros, y'all already know how we rock. You hear me? You drop a video, believe me, you're gonna